Say bye-bye to blackheads with this activated charcoal mask. When I hit puberty, I was quite lucky, only the odd acne breakout here and there, nothing major. I did, however, often notice a small bridge of blackheads on my nose, staring back at me, as if they belonged there. I never paid much attention to what blackheads truly were, I just wanted to get rid of them. If I knew then what I know now, I wouldn't have spent my allowance on chemically laced face washes that did nothing but dry out my skin. Now that I'm a little older and a lot wiser, I have a whole cabinet of natural, effective remedies to deal with all kinds of unexpected skin irritations. From bug bites to minor skin infections, there's one ingredient that I keep on hand at all times. Pulling oil, dirt and toxins from your pores, activated charcoal is a miracle remedy inside and out. If you struggle to control blackhead blemishes, give this easy and highly beneficial face mask a whirl. Activated charcoal, a mask unlike any other. The first time I used this mask, my husband couldn't help but take a million pictures of me. It definitely isn't the most attractive, but hey, sometimes, in order to boost your health and improve your complexity, you need to take one for the team. Being used throughout history, activated charcoal was actually placed inside the masks of World War I soldiers, helping them reduce their exposure to chemicals and associated poisons. Offering an impressive, porous surface, activated charcoal is able to naturally trap toxins. In fact, this fine powder can absorb thousands of times its own weight, helping in both everyday and life-threatening situations. Since activated charcoal passes through the digestive tract without being absorbed, it has the ability to attract and eliminate mercury, lead, pesticides, pharmaceuticals and other potentially harmful toxins. In terms of skin care, it is able to draw dirt and bacteria to the surface, helping you achieve a more flawless complexion. Since a blackhead is essentially plugged up oil that has been darkened by oxidation, this mask will unclog your pores and reduce the appearance of dirt and bacteria-filled hair follicles. Try this activated charcoal mask for yourself. It's time to slather this black paste onto your face to eliminate blackheads. Try it today. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon activated charcoal, 1 tablespoon bentonite clay to increase overall toxin absorption optional, water. Instructions: 1. Gradually add small amounts of water to activated charcoal, mixing until a paste is made. 2. Apply to face, avoiding your mouth and eyes. 3. After 10 minutes, the mask should be dry. Wash off with warm water and pat face with a clean towel. Repeat 3 times weekly. Note: please be aware that this paste will stain your clothing, so be cautious when applying, and clean your sink immediately after use. If you have sensitive skin, patch test a small area before applying the mask. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.